Hello, my name is Luke Gezovich, and I am a graduate STEM communication designer with the Writing Center. Data visualization is an extremely valuable tool for communicating and comparing information. Whether you're presenting scientific data, engineering solutions, generating mathematical models, or determining environmental trends, visualizing and comparing your data can provide clarity that may be difficult to convey through text alone. It is essential to present data appropriately using the correct type of visualization and to appropriately reference these figures in the text. When selecting figures, diversity is key. Choosing a variety of figures ensures a comprehensive representation of data, and it caters to different learning preferences. Using a combination of bar charts, line charts, and scatter plots provides a multifaceted view of the data set and accommodates the various analytical approaches. Figure selection should always be guided by the specific insights a visual representation can offer. There are 4 common types of plots and charts used, which I will expand upon. Bar charts are useful when comparing quantities across different categories, as the length of each bar corresponds directly to the value it represents. For instance, imagine you were trying to compare the diameters of different planets in the solar system. A bar chart would work best as it would display the diameter of each planet compared against one another. Line charts are ideal when you are trying to showcase trends over time. They facilitate the comparison of data points sequentially. For instance, imagine you are trying to show and compare the mean monthly rainfall for 2 different cities. A line chart would work best as it displays the amount of rainfall on the y-axis and the month on the x-axis. The data points for each city are connected by a line and can be compared visually. Pie charts are very valuable figures for illustrating parts of a whole. In pie charts, the data is summed or normalized to 100%. For example, this figure presents the total energy consumption in the United States by different sectors in 2007. Here, each sector is represented by a slice of a pie. Each slice is sized according to the proportion of the total pie that the category represents. Scatter plots are excellent figures for displaying relationships between 2 different variables. In scatter plots, each data point represents an observation, with one variable plotted on the horizontal x-axis and the other plotted on the vertical y-axis. They may also include trend lines to depict any trends present in the data. For instance, this figure provides a visual representation of different metropolitan health indices on the y-axis compared against the mean income presented on the x-axis. A trend line is also included, displaying a trend in the data, where data points with higher income typically exhibit a higher health index. Efficiently referencing figures in text is crucial for ensuring clarity and understanding of the visualized data. When discussing a specific figure within the text, you should refer to it explicitly and provide context. For example, phrases like "as illustrated in Figure 1" or "refer to Figure 2" for a visual representation guide the reader to the relevant visual. Generally, the figure should be located near where it is referenced in the text. In addition to figure numbers, you should also incorporate brief descriptions or key findings of each figure. This practice reinforces the connection between the text and the visual representation and provides readers with a quick overview. Consistency in referencing is paramount. Ensuring that the format and style of figure references align with the guidelines of a chosen citation style is very important. Maintaining a standardized approach across the document also adds to the document's professionalism and aids the reader in navigating the content seamlessly.